Why has the number of U.S. casualties in the Iran war increased recently? The recent rise is not random, but tied to shifting strategies and escalating tensions that you need to understand. The recent increase in U.S. casualties linked to the Iran war stems largely from escalating conflicts in the region. As tensions between Iran and the U.S.-backed forces rise, proxy battles and direct confrontations become more frequent. This puts American troops in more dangerous situations, especially in hotspots like Iraq and Syria, where Iran-backed militias are active. The volatile environment means more attacks, ambushes, and roadside bombs, directly affecting U.S. forces' safety. Another key reason is the shift in U.S. military strategy. The U.S. has increased patrols and advisory missions, often placing smaller units in high-risk areas to counter Iran's influence. These operations sometimes involve direct engagements or intelligence gathering in hostile zones, raising the chance of casualties. The strategy aims to deter aggression, but also means American forces face more frontline exposures than before. Iran's growing use of drones and cyber warfare has added a new layer of danger. Drone strikes can cause sudden casualties, while cyber attacks disrupt U.S. military communications and defense systems. This asymmetric warfare increases unpredictability, making it harder for U.S. forces to anticipate threats and protect themselves effectively. So the rise in U.S. casualties in the Iran war is tied to escalating regional conflicts, shifting U.S. military tactics, and advanced threats like drones and cyber warfare. This complex mix shows how modern warfare continuously evolves. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily.